It's how intelligent they are. I told you, just before I saw them first time do this dragonfly, I had just seen a program on Discovery of about dragonflies and how they have a 360-degree view, so it's very different, and how they hunt damselflies and things like that. So they keep a lookout for damselflies. You can see whichever direction, the speed. So now this little fellow has understood that it can see 360 degrees except below.
And above.
So no, above also it can see.
Achha.
It sees everything like that.
Okay, got it.
Okay,
Dome.
but it can't see right below. So this guy watches them and then dives, goes like this, swoops from underneath, comes from underneath and catches them.
So that just wind dog.
Yeah, it started its head bobbing and
Head
tail.
bobbing has started.
That means it's now
It's
trying
gonna
to
hunt.
fine tune its dive.